2000 Chevy S10. Really beautiful truck, all custom paint, wheels, everything and anything. It really looks cool, man. When you guys sit outside, it's really nicely done. What we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there, secondary converter there. Then he wanted 3-inch pipe out the side, as you guys can see, into dual flat tips. Check it out. That came out really nice, really clean. Right there and right there. Boom. Very sexy. There'll be a link in the description for the tips. And I guess that's it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. But look at that paint, man. That paint is really nice. Look at the lay. It's got nice sparkle to it. But as you guys can see, everything's all molded. Fiberglass. Really nice. It's a step side. Look at that. Just really nice. It's really nicely done. Built wing into it. It's all molded together. Wrapped around. Look. No seams. Which is awesome. Something different than you guys see every day. So I said I'll bring it to you guys. Let you guys see it. Deep dish wheels. There's that. There. See the custom interior, of course. Nice stitching. Really nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. There's a front hood. It's got a nice scoop on it. Look at that. Really nice. Now time to hear it. Let you guys hear it. That's clean, I like that. Good taste.